2023, when I became transport minister, you know what is the liabilities they left to me? 5,900 crores liabilities they left to me. In 2020, January 26th, they hiked the fare 12%. From January 20th to here. At that time, we were spending 9 crores for diesel. Now we are spending 13 crores for diesel. For salaries in 2020, it was about 12 crores. Now 18 crores. That means almost 9.75 crores every day we are losing. Now, losing means extra expenditure. We have to rise, that's all.
But BJP says that it's a loot model of Karnataka.
See, loot, they are the actual looters. See, this is, I'll send you, between 2008 and 13, Mr. Ashok was transport minister. 30% he raised. Totally 6 times. 30%. 30% he raised 7 times. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times he raised. He raised it.
Sir, BJP
7
says
times.
that this can be managed by...
See, they left 5,900 crores liabilities to me. Me means our corporations.
But BJP says that...
See, they are liars.
Because of Shakti scheme...
No. Shakti scheme, 8,800 crores. Shakti scheme, from Shakti scheme, government has given to corporations. Shakti scheme is a good scheme. They are anti-women, BJP people. They want to destroy this Shakti program. They are Manuvadis, BJP people.
Today some ministers came from Andhra Pradesh to...
Now they are coming to Chief Minister's office now.
If you can give little detail what they did.
Sir, how do you view this? Given that they are a BJP partner from another state is asking for,
No, not like that. Not only they can go to Maharashtra or they can go to Punjab, they can go to Delhi. They came and whatever they good, they will take.
What did they discuss with you?
No, we have given all details, including Shakti and other reforms from our state.
So BJP